Hello, this is Elaine from Elaine's Creations, and I would like to show you how to make this card using the Hippo Happiness bundle from Stampin' Up. So here's the card, and here is the bundle. This is a really fun bundle. It has all these cute animals and sayings to go with the animals, as well as these really fun dies that are extra with stitching and embossing. I really love this bundle a lot. So for this card, I created a cloud background. And to do this, I created a cloud template using the happy dies from the So Much Happy bundle. I did some cards previously using this template, so you can refer back to my videos on those cards to see the dies and how I created the template. So I've got my piece right here, and I'm going to set everything else aside. I'm going to use a little scrap piece of paper here, and I'm going to use both sides of my template to create this cloud background. And I'm using the in colors, the new in colors that Stampin' Up comes out with every year, the 5 new in colors. And the first one I'm going to use is the Bumblebee. I'm using a blender brush or a makeup brush, or you could use a sponge dauber, just anything that blends. And I'm just going to kind of get some of the ink off first, and then just really lightly rub across the template, and then add a little bit more ink. And I've got this nice edge of clouds right there. Then I'm going to flip the template over to create some variety, put the Bumblebee aside, and bring in some Magenta Madness. And I've got this other blender brush here, different one. Get some ink, and let's pull this down a little bit more. And then we'll blend this across. And this time I'm going to keep it kind of close to the template. I don't want it to be too far away and get into my Bumblebee. All right, flip it over again, put this aside over here, and the last color I'm going to use is Misty Moonlight. So get some Misty Moonlight on your brush or your sponge dauber, and again, just kind of blend some in. All right, and then we just keep going. So we'll do the Bumblebee again. Flip this over, just move that out of the way so I'm not tempted to mix things up. The Bumblebee again, and we'll go across there. Whoops, I forgot to brush off. So if you forget to brush off, you get kind of this dark spot. Try and blend that in a little bit. So you kind of get this dark spot. All right, I'm done with the Bumblebee, so I'm going to close that up, and it looks like the last color we'll do is the Magenta Madness. So we'll just put this in at the bottom here. Just kind of rub off some of it. And we'll start getting some of that on there. Nice and soft, there we go. This is one of my favorite dies. I'm in love with this cloud die and everything that it can do and the backgrounds that it can create. So much fun. If you don't have it, I highly recommend that you get it. You can find it on my website, elainescreations.net, and you click on shop. You look up the happy dies, and the cloud die is in the happy dies. All right, so now I can adhere this to the Magenta Madness. I've cut a really, really thin border, really, really thin. And I'm going to stamp the cute little unicorn saying in Magenta Madness. When in doubt, be a unicorn. Gotta put my sample up here. Move this over here. So cute. All right. So now I can close this up. And I can, uh-oh, what'd I do? Okay, that's just a fleck. Adhere this down. And these are the label dies that are part of the bundle. And then we can add dimensionals. So let's see. This one, I'm going to put dimensionals on the top and the bottom because there's going to be some ribbon in the middle. So I'm going to leave some room for the ribbon. And then I'm going to use a mini dimensional for the, maybe 2 mini dimensionals for the unicorn. And then I'm going to wrap some Misty Moonlight ribbon around this. Tie a nice little knot. I love that there's in color ribbon for each in color to match. It's really fun. So tie a nice knot here. Hold one side, pull the other side, and it slips into this really nice knot. And then you can kind of pull it to where you want it. Pull that down, tighten it up, and then trim it off. Maybe I want it a little bit over. Okay. Pretty short. All right, so now, of course, this is going to get a lot of dimensionals. And then we will assemble this fun unicorn card together. So I am offering a free card class when you purchase the Hippo Happiness bundle. It consists of supplies for 6 cards, 2 each of 3 designs, this being one of the designs. When you purchase this bundle using this host code for August, I will send you the card kit for free. Or if you already have this bundle or want a different bundle, you can place a $50 order and email me and let me know that you would like this bundle, and I will send it out to you, as well as send you a coupon code for $5 off your next order. So the bonus days continue in August if you place a $50 order with me. So here's the card class. Here's the card with the cloud background, super cute. And then this card is included and this card is included. So this is my card class when you purchase the Hippo Happiness bundle. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed watching me make this card. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my website, elainescreations.net. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.